Good morning. There's Murphy coming out. There's Bono over there having a little run up through the field this morning. Here's a load of the sheep. Looks like Debbie yesterday brought some more bird seed. Fat balls and bird seed for our wildlife little bit that we're doing. Good old Murphy. You alright, boy? You going for mummy? Going where the food is? Proper slippy today, isn't it? Alright, Apple. Hey. Good boy. Good Cloud. Oh, Blondie. Hello, boy. Come on then, Apple. Come on then, kiddies. It's just give these a bit of an empty out. This one's got a bit of water in. Let a bit of it out. Bit better, bit cleaner for them. So that's the sheep, the soil sheep, all given hard feed. Then makes your way on it. So they're all looking good. I know it won't take them long. Success, they've actually found it. So they could carry on eating. They all look quite happy. There's Cloud. Some more little ewes. Little ewes and little rams. They all look happy then.
Murphy having his medicated food. Cod liver oil and superfax to help his joints. He's good. Brush down and do that after I've fed Bono. He's waiting there patiently for me, along with the pheasant hens in the background and the ring-necked pheasant male one in the background by the trailer. More fat balls and seeds for the wild birds. Keep them happy.
So I'll move that over to there. So if any of them want any of the Max Energy Mineral Lick, they can help themselves. It's probably one of the best ones on the market, we feel. As you can see, with all the rain and snow that we've had, you know, it's still solid. Cloud loves it. They all love it. Nice seeing them actually having it. Is that nice? Ain't nice just seeing them all let down. All nice and cosy. Over here. All eating hay. That lot. All sat down chilling out. So lovely, isn't it? Beautiful to see. And there's our sexy boy. Hello, Murph. You're looking nice. You're looking really nice, aren't you? Give me kisses. Good boy. A bit of snot up your nose, haven't you? Hey? But you're looking good, aren't you? Yeah, you are. Aren't you, boy? Looking good. And there's Apple. There's Flo. Mum's favourite. How's your little tail today? You're looking mighty good, huh? Looking mighty good. So, the weather's gone nice again. Hopefully, the ground will start drying out a little bit. Got a bit of a wind today, so it should do in all fairness. If it does, then we can get some work done on the field. That'll be the main thing. Trying to get some more grass up for these boys and girls. As you can see, they're all chilled and relaxed, all happy, all fed, all with full tummies. They all look happy. So, thanks for watching. We're almost at 600 subscribers. We're doing well. Probably be in the middle of next week, I'd imagine that we'd hit it. But thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like. I mean, there's probably hours and hours and hours of stuff to watch. I think we got a lamb that's stuck. So yeah, that's panic over. It was a male, but it managed to stand back up. Sometimes they don't, sometimes they do. If they don't, I mean, especially the mothers, then you get the risk of losing the babies. And by the looks of it, a bunch of mothers that are over, the mothers that are all over the far side there, all in a bunch. One of them was having a little argument with another one. So, but they're all relaxed, they're all chilled out. You know, they're all let down. There's Blondie there, Cloud there, let down eating, burying his face. Apples over there behind Murphy, I believe. Yeah, scratching his hoof. But yeah, they're all looking good. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook as well. By all means, have a look at them. But most of the content is always on YouTube. There's always little odds and sods that we add on to YouTube that we don't put on the other channels. But by all means, have a look. If you enjoy it, enjoy our content, please subscribe and like and share. Share as much as you can. Leave any comments. We always get back to you. And stay safe, and we shall see you tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. We'll see you on Monday. Fresh start. Bye. See you later.